welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click on subscribe and turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today, you say, why are we opening this? Well, it's because I have this for my budgies so that they can exercise, they can eat, they can drink. As you can see, that there's two bowls right here that they can drink and eat, of course. And also, this one is, you ask me why is there a budgie on it? This is a baby. This is a baby one. And also, I bought this for him. And his name is Cody. Cody, look, I got this for you. My family. He's scratching. And also, this is just for you so that you can exercise. He's not very good at listening. He just does everything else what he does. Anyway, I will show you the rest of it. I'm gonna unbox it. Hey guys, let's unbox this box with the birds and for the budgies. Check it out, there's so many things. Just for you, Cody Jr. and your sister as well. Look at these. There's so much instructions. He knows how to talk. Excuse me for a second. Guys, this is it. Well, I'm glad that we finished it. And if you actually buy this thing, it'll take you for about 15 minutes. And also, I can't wait to show my first baby budgie. I know that it's gonna get cool when they start moving in here. Actually, I'm gonna put it on. Here you go. Well, guys, this has been amazing. So cool. I didn't even know this was so cool. Well, guys, this has been an amazing time with my favorite cute and adorable budgie. But right now, he's getting pretty tired. I'm gonna put him back in his house. And also, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click on subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys next time on my next video. Bye! Budgie house.